This is ridiculous. The court has cried out or raised an alarm that 1,423 protesters jailed with no bail or legal representation. Yeah, the 10-day hashtag end bad governance protests have concluded, but the repercussions are ongoing. Many protesters, particularly in northern states, have been charged and detained as they await trial, which could be significantly delayed due to the slow pace of the judicial system. The judicial system, after you have increased their salary by 300%. So why is it that they cannot do the work? Why is it that it's only the judiciary that they have that has that opportunity to for their salaries to be increased by 300%? You guys are jokers. These individuals are not considered prisoners awaiting trial, while the law mandates that suspects be arraigned within 48 hours of arrest. There is no evidence indicating that the hashtag end bad governance protesters had access to legal representation during their arraignments. It is also unclear if the pleas were recorded or if bail was granted. In Kano State, police reported that none of the 600 protesters out of 832 arrested and charged were granted bail, and they remain in prison until their next court appearance. Similarly, in Plateau State, 51 suspects were detained and charged without legal counsel or bail, although a lawyer did contact the authorities for one of the suspects with further details unspecified. Mm. And that's why they are looking for Ajero, linking him with terrorism. Mhm. Well, so now in Nigeria, nobody can protest during, but during the good luck, they protested. Does it mean there is no democracy, or there was no democracy in Nigeria then, or now again, no freedom of speech? Is that the next solution? And that on our protest ended without achieving a single goal. The most shameful protest ever organized in Nigeria. This was high expectancy of protest within the week of fake announcements of results. No, it can't even. No, it can't. Nigerian youth never remain. If they do what, I don't understand. 1st of October, let this protest go more worse than the previous. Federal government of Nigeria, show no mercy because it is your turn and they gave it to you. The next protest will be unannounced. Police should build more cells without or because they will get tired of arresting innocent protesters. No police will be able to withstand the unannounced protest. The problem of this country is our leaders. Our leaders, our leaders, our leaders. Who are the leaders? Those who claim that they are leaders. These ones can never be leaders. Federal government, judiciary, INEC, and the force. This group of people will never allow you to do the right thing, forgetting that justice must take place when God Almighty remember and arise to punish them and all evil leaders and free us, his people. God, I pray for quick intervention to free us from this weekend. The case of this country is just like someone in a vehicle. When you enter a bus with an unfortunate fellow, you need to pray hard for safe trip so that everyone can depart to their destination. This is just the beginning. 1 year. The problem of our country today is that we leave God behind. Instead of seeking God's face, it is God that creates the world. He also has the solution of problem. Where are these lawyers? I don't clear for them. Where are their lawyers? Àwọn ọmọ ọlọ́mọ court, please. So these guys will be fed by federal government. There's hunger in the land. Nigeria government is calling for greater anarchy by the action or this action. Baba God will help us to finish APC from top to bottom. Let them be released from jail, okay, from illegal detention. They are fighting for their rights and freedom, for hunger for all Nigerians. People feel a buy for the second tenor. Evening, even military were protesting, not to talk of civilians. They might think they are the owner of the world, but arrival of the Messiah will put them to shame sooner they will knew. I just even pity the black leaders, honestly speaking. I said it before that whether protest or not, nothing will change because these people are of the devil. They are inhuman. Otherwise, why would they even think of arresting when they know that the people are truly suffering? They say no, that they are not suffering, no, that they just want to remove Tinubu, they are just angry. So they don't believe that there's hunger. If you say that the protest is all about unseating Tinubu, so that means you don't even believe in the hunger that people are crying for. Or it doesn't want people coming out. This is indeed disheartening. Nigeria should stop oppressing the youth of this country after buying their dreams. Tinubu, where is the renewed hope? What I see is renewed hopelessness. Patriots, you arise and stop this evil right now because it's not going to all go well at all. It will never all go well. Oh. Yeah, I wonder how many Nigerians, even the military, will not even behave like this. This is somebody somebody that is organized series of protests against Jonathan and was never sanctioned. Now arresting people. I don't know the stuff is made of. So guys, let's hear your opinion on this matter.